Today, we will explore the scalping trading strategy as explained by this guy in his video where he show a 96.8% win rate for this strategy from his backtesting. So let's get started. Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome to Akash Dr channel. Remember, success in trading does not come overnight. It's a journey that requires dedication and continuous learning. Even if today's results with this strategy may not have what you hope for, setbacks are part of the path to success. In this video, we will cover the following. We will first examine the conditions and rules for the scalping trading strategy. Then we will code it for a strategy tester in TradingView. इतना याद रखिए, a trader looks for consistency, a gambler looks for quick profit. Next, we will backtest this scalping trading strategy on different pairs and different time frames. We find it profitable. We will proceed to automate it and begin live trading. तो सबसे पहले strategy के rules जान लेते हैं. This strategy is based on two indicators. The first is the chandelier exit indicator. Set the ATR period to 1 and the ATR multiplier to 2. The second is the ZLSMA indicator. Set the lane to 50. For a long entry, buy signal given by chandelier exit. Next, ensure that the price action is above the yellow moving average line. Then take a buy entry. Set the stop loss at the latest swing low. The exit rule is when the price action crosses below the yellow moving average line. Next, for a short entry, sell signal given by chandelier exit. Now, confirm that the price action is below the yellow moving average line. Then take a sell entry. Place the stop loss at the latest swing high. The exit rule is when price action crosses above the yellow moving average line. तो अभी स्ट्रेटेजी स्क्रिप्ट बनाते हैं ट्रेडिंग व्यू के स्ट्रेटेजी टेस्टर से बैक टेस्टिंग रिपोर्ट जनरेट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट, एट द chandelier exit indicator and check for a buy signal. Next, include the ZLSMA indicator and verify if the candle is above the moving average line. When all conditions are met, take a buy entry and set the stop loss at the recent swing low. Additionally, closing command भी ऐड करेंगे. If the candle closes below the moving average line, close the position. For sell signals, follow the opposite steps. signal from the chandelier exit. Then check if the candle is below the ZLSMA indicator moving average. सेल एंट्री लेंगे जब सभी कंडीशंस मैच हो जाएगी. Set the stop loss at the recent swing high. If the candle crosses above the moving average line, close the sell position. Also, hide the other extra signals from the chandelier exit to avoid confusion on the chart. तो फिर हमारी बैकटेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी स्क्रिप्ट रेडी हो गई है. तो पहले चार्ट पे जाके चेक कर लेते हैं. सो हियर इज द सेल शोइंग द कैंडल इज बिलो द मूविंग एवरेज लाइन एंड सेल इज गिवन बाय chandelier exit. So sell signal is correct and here is a sell hit which is correct swing high. Let's see a buy signal. Buy signal given by chandelier exit, candle also above this moving average line. So the buy signal occurred correctly. This signal existed correctly when the candle closed below moving average. Everything is working perfectly. Now let's proceed to backtest it. The video demonstrated this strategy on EuroJPY in 5-minute time frame. तो हम इसे EuroJPY में 0.1 लॉट के साथ ट्रेड करेंगे, equivalent to 10,000 units. In EuroJPY, here you can see 62,000 JPY loss, a 34% profitability rate, which is not okay. A profit factor of 0.8 slightly, but the maximum drawdown is over 1 lakh JPY, which is extremely high. Overall, this strategy is loss making for EuroJPY in a 5-minute time frame. Now let's test it on the EuroJPY chart with 1 hour time frame. Here you can see in EuroJPY there is a 10,000 profit with a 38% profitability rate, a profit factor of 1.1, which is not great, and maximum drawdown is 14,000 JPY, जो कि प्रॉफिट से भी ज्यादा है. Overall, this strategy is not profitable for EuroJPY in a 1 hour time frame as well. In both time frames, this strategy is loss-making strategy for EuroJPY. Keep in mind, keep your spirits high and stay focused on your learning journey. Success in trading is about continuous improvement, and with every trade you make, you are one step closer to achieving your dreams. Now, we will test it on the XAUUSD chart because it's highly volatile. तो हम 0.01 लॉट के साथ ट्रेड करेंगे 5-minute chart time frame पे. In XAUUSD, you can observe a $5,000 loss, a 37% profitability rate, which is not ideal for profitability, a profit factor of 0.9, which is not so good, and a maximum drawdown twice the loss. Now let's check it on a 1 hour chart. The net profit shows a net profit shows 30,000 profit, but maximum drawdown is twice the profit, and percentage profitable is not so good, and profit factor is also not good. Overall, ये strategy profitable नहीं है दोनों pairs में भी, XAUUSD में भी नहीं और ना ही EuroJPY में. So it's not suitable for trading these pairs. Since this strategy has consistently shown unprofitable results, we will not proceed with algo trading based on it. If you wish to access the script code for free, you can find the code डाउनलोड लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। और आप कौन से स्ट्रेटेजी को बैकटेस्ट या फिर लाइव कराना चाहते हो कमेंट्स बिलो। इफ यू नीड टू स्ट्रेटेजी बैकटेस्टिंग और एल्गो ट्रेडिंग, प्लीज फील फ्री टू कॉन्टेक्ट अस यूजिंग द प्रोवाइडेड फोन नंबर। और इतना याद रखें, बाजार में निवेश करने से पहले अपनी शिक्षा में निवेश करें, जो कि आपकी सच्ची संपत्ति है। पहले एनालिसिस करें, स्ट्रेटेजी अच्छे तरीके से बैकटेस्ट कीजिए, मेहनत कीजिए, क्योंकि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज सपोर्ट बाय लाइकिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड क्लिकिंग द नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन। तो फिलहाल तो अभी चलते हैं। स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे हैप्पी एंड हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग।